welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, the location is nearby attractions and landmarks also.
You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc.
Room category. Room category 4. Room 5. Room category 6.
Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you will see on the screen.
Required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is superb and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are available. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Services and reviews are available online for this hotel along with various maintenance and rating policies.